subscribe, thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and follow me on Snapchat. Love you guys. Mwah! I'll be showing you guys how to do that intro you just seen. So we're gonna go into Picsart. Oh my bad, y'all. Hey, welcome to this channel. If you are new to this channel, welcome. My name is Moriah. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and thumbs up this video. Also, comment down below any questions you guys have. I will respond back at a timely manner. So alright, I'm looking for a photo that I'm going to use, and we're going to go ahead and erase the background. This is the Picsart app we are going into. The icon on the left hand side automatically highlight where you're going to just erase the background map, and you're just going to go ahead and erase the rest. Take your time on this. Make sure everything is very clean and neat to your liking. I'm going to just go ahead and erase half of me because I don't want it to be all full and just boxed in, if you know what I mean. I want it to have a few ridges, little round ridges. Okay, so we're all done. We're going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to save it again to my gallery. Now, we're not done in Picsart yet. Now, Picsart has tons of stickers, everything, like anything you want. You could just type it in, backgrounds, little clip arts, anything. So we're going to look for a background. There's a lot. You guys see, they have plenty. You could also type in the exact background you want, like glitter, bold. I'm going to select this marble background here. And I'm pretty sure I'm going to use this one, but I'm going to look for one more just in case I want to use a different one. So we're done. We're going to save this to the gallery, and we're going to go into Logopit and create a new one. We're going to add the size 1280 by 720. And I'm going to choose the background. You can choose any background you want. And then I'm going to choose a font after I type my name. There's a lot of fonts to choose from. I'm just going to select anyone. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this and make the back white. And I'm going to keep the first one black. But I want to show you guys the outlines you can do and different colors that they do have. Okay, so now I'm going to go into my gallery, and I got a couple of these things from Picsart, and I'm going to go use the crop one and crop it out, the subscribe button, and there's a lot of things on Picsart you can get. So this is for you. I'm going to take that rainbow and I'm going to put that rainbow in it. Let's put the rainbow. I'm going to put the rainbow in the corner where the H is. I think it looks good there. I have to save it first, and then I'm going to put this rainbow there. So it could be a transition. And then you're going to save it again. And then you're going to go ahead and delete everything. So we're not going to need this anymore because we saved it already. Now we're going to go get the background that we got from Picsart, the marble one. Definitely going to use that one. So I'm going to crop that. Okay, now you can make the circle however big, small, however you want it to be. I'm just going to put it to the size I want it to be. And I'm going to go in the gallery and get the photo that we did. And then I'm going to just size it up to the size I want it to be. And then I'm just going to add a little black outline to it so it can pop. Now we're going to take this leaf here and crop it. And we're going to put it right there. And just size it up where that cropping thing was. And now we're going to take the subscribe button. Well, actually, we're going to take these hearts. We're going to take these hearts. We're going to put that right there. I'm actually going to, I don't know if I want it to be big or small, but I think I'm going to put it a little smaller just for it to size up a little bit. Okay, now what we're going to do is just save this. We're going to save this and then we're going to go back into the gallery and we're going to get the subscribe button. You can actually do this in any order you want to do it in, but this is how I want to do it. So I'm going to put that at the top. You can make it huge, small, however you want it. And we're going to save this. I'm going to go in the gallery again and get this thumbs up and just put it at the angle that I want it to be in, and then we're going to save it again. Okay, now we're just going to delete the thumbs up, and then we're going to get this notification bell in the gallery. Size it up, and then we're going to save it again. Okay, so we can remove everything now, and now I'm just going to shrink this photo and everything else really. And now with Logopit, they have a lot of things you could choose from. So right here, they have everything. Now we're gonna go to I don't know what the thing's called, but user interface. And I'm just scrolling to see if I could find that Apple desktop. Not sure the proper name for it, y'all, because I am not team iPhone or Apple. I'm going to put this black. And now I'll have to fit everything in it. The same way we had it before, just trying to fit it in. Put the heart small. Now I have to go in the gallery to get the leaf. Okay, now I'm just going to line it up how I had it before. And we're going to just go in here and save it. Yes, we're almost done, y'all. So now I'm just going to go ahead and go back into the gallery. And I want to crop. Oh, I got to go back. I have to pick the crop one. So I'm going to crop the white heart. And I'm just going to make it as if it's moving closer. So I'm going to put it a small heart. And then I'm going to do a big heart, if you know what I mean. So we're going to do a small heart. And put it in the middle. And then once we get it to the size, I'm going to save it. And then I want to save it first, and then I have to undo it and then save it again. God, I didn't save it before. And then we're going to make the heart bigger and save it. Okay. They're finally done. Now we're going to go into this other app called Youcut. And now we're going to go to photos. And we're going to select all the ones we just did. Now, you can do it in order, which I'm going to do. So I'm just going to pick that one. The one with the rainbow. That one. That one. The bell. All those. And it's going to go in order. So everything I chose is in order. Okay, so now I'm going to just cut it down to a second for each of them. The time, or the duration time. You don't have to put the time of the videos 1 second like me. You can put it to whatever time you want it to be. If you want it to go fast, slow, it's up to you how you want your video clip to go. Okay, now that is over, we're going to click, I'm just going to play it to see how it will look. So that's the speed. Okay. Now we're going to just click effect. Now this is all the glitching. You got to hold it so it can apply. So I'm just choosing random ones so it could be all over the place. And they have pro, but you have to pay for the pro one. I don't know how much is it, but your girl's sticking with the free ones because who don't like free things? There's different type of glitch effects on this app. There's plenty of other apps out there. Believe me, if this one is not for you, there's other ones that you can also try. I will also leave the link down below. Not the link, but I will leave the names down below of all the apps that we're using right now. And some other apps that I've used before in the past. Or that I'm still using too. Because I switch back and forth. Okay, this is the ending of it right here. Yeah, definitely like that one. Now we gotta find the ending one. That one is dope for the ending. Now we're gonna play it. Always play back your videos so you can see how it looks. I like this. Then the ending part. Oh yeah. Dope, right? Now you're gonna save it. Usually it has 1080 on here, but some reason it don't. It's just 720, which is still good. It's still high quality. So we're just gonna save it. And then it's just converting your video into your gallery. Just press X. Most of these apps do have ads, so all you gotta do is press X or wait for it to finish. And then you go into your gallery, click on Youcut, and play it. Then your video is done. You just created your own intro. I'm going to insert the clip of the full intro at the ending so you guys can get a full glimpse of it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and thumbs up this video. Also leave them comments down below. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys in my next video.